Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing potatoes on a fire and sausages. So first you need to make a fire, and then to make the potatoes you have to just take potatoes, take tin foil, and then you have to wrap the tin foil around the potato completely. Then once you're done wrapping it completely, just pack it tightly so it'll look kind of like that. And then you just put these into your fire. And then I'm gonna make this one. Guys, now we're gonna take the potatoes that we made and we're gonna put them on the fire. As you see, I made more. So we just put them beside the fire, not into it because they're gonna burn. So we put them beside. And then, it's so warm here. It's extremely windy and there's huge waves in there. But our fire is extremely warm. Sausages on the fire, and I got this, the salmon that I caught maybe 2 months ago. We're gonna put it beside the fire so it gets warm, and we're gonna just bake these sausages. And when you bake sausages, you don't put them in the fire, you put them above the fire. Yeah, and stay away from the smoke. Just put them like that. And just spin them every maybe 1 minute. Now, our sausages are completely done. As you see now, they're supposed to be looking like that because they pop because of the heat. And now we just take them to place, take a fork and take them off. Yeah, that's basically how you do your sausages. And now we're gonna just cut them open. As you see now, the fire is completely burned out. Not completely, but halfway. And that's when we put our potatoes in the middle, kind of. Now we have a frying pan with sausages,